Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video we learn some simple activities which help us lot. At first we see find and replace. In datasheet, very difficult to find some keywords or data. For find data in Excel, we can use find option. By using this option, we easily find the actual keyword or actual word which is we want to see. Now for find option, the shortcut key for find option is Ctrl F. In our data sheet we see there is 12 month, 7 days and 5 season. This is a small worksheet, so you can easily see all the keyword or word. If this worksheet is big and there is lots of data, then we can use find option to find something. The shortcut key for find option is Ctrl F. Now we type here somewhat, just like as Tuesday. Find. Now you can see that is Tuesday. Now again we find spring. Now that is spring. Without shortcut key, we go here, find and select find. Okay. Now for replace, the same way, press Ctrl F, just select tab replace, or you can go here and replace. By using replace, we replace the data as we required. Now for replace, we replace spring into Sunday. Press replace all. Now you can see spring is gone and Sunday is replaced. Again we can replace Sunday into book. Now there is 2 Sunday, one here and one here. Replace all. Now you see the both two are changes into books. Next we see undo and redo. Undo means if you do something and then we want to go previous version, then we use undo. The shortcut key of undo is, this key is undo and this key is redo. We just replace Sunday into book. If you click this undo, if you wish keep the books in place of Sunday, we press redo. Sunday is gone, books is come. The redo option we use when we undo something, means when we use undo option and then we think the previous version is okay, then we press redo and go to previous version. The shortcut key of undo is Ctrl Z. The shortcut key for undo option, and redo, and shortcut key of redo option is Ctrl Y. Okay. Now we discuss go to option. For go to option, we press Ctrl G, or we go to find and select and go to option. We type here cell number A5 and press OK. Now this is cell number A5. Again we type J15. Okay, this is cell number J15. We can use special option of go to also. The special option is if any cell contain with comments, constant, formula, blank, current region, current array, row difference, column difference, anything. If there is any cell contain with formula and we find cell with formula, then we go there. Now let's check. Now let's check special formulas. Okay, now you can see these two cells with formulas. Now today we learn how to find and replace, undo and redo, and go to option. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.